Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? T plus chairs, pet. T, chairs, pet. Teacher's pet. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you all, team. Hi, everyone. Welcome again to our show. Good, lively group of high school students with us today in the studio to watch this half-hour program of Classic Concentration. Please join me in welcoming back our returning champion, this young man on my right, who won a little over $4,000 in prizes. This is Dennis Kuhn. Dennis, good to see you again.
Good to see you.
How you feel today?
I'm feeling really good, Alex. Thank you very much. I got some family in the audience.
You do?
And, yeah.
Who do you have out there?
Well, I have the chairman of the P38 National Association, my dad, and my mom, and
P38?
my two accountants. Yeah, P38.
And two accountants? You expect to win a great deal, don't you?
Yeah.
All right, good luck to you. We have a newcomer to introduce as your opponent today. This young lady's name is Christina Allion.
Right.
Hello, Christina.
Hi, how are you, Alex?
Oh, your hands are cold.
Amazing.
That means you're nervous.
Very nervous.
All right, we'll let you relax for a moment while we show you one of the prizes you're competing for in this first game today.
Castel's folding poker table with removable surface top glass ashtrays and 8 matching chairs is crafted in natural hardwood finish. Fun furniture furnished by Castel. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. And Marjorie, I dare you to light it. I dare you to light it and puff it just once or twice. No, I don't blame you. Christine and Dennis, here's where you're going to find that prize. The game table with chairs at number 17. We also have a vacation in Bermuda in this first game. Christina,
okay.
you have the first chance to find it because you pick first.
All right, let's see if we can find that vacation number 19.
19, good place to start. We have a marble chess set.
Okay, and number 24, please.
Bermuda, no match. Dennis,
Let's check right next door, number 25. See what's going on there.
complete power tool set.
Hey, I'm into power tools, so that's important for me. Let's try number 10.
Camping equipment,
Okay.
no match. Christina, back to you.
Okay, let's see if we can find that trip under number 7.
Complete power tool set.
And for the match, number 20.
Number 20, no, a diamond and topaz pendant. But Dennis may remember because, as you heard a moment ago, he's into power tools.
Yeah, that's important. Number 25, please.
There you go.
And number 7.
25 and 7
All right.
is the combination that works. Puts the prize in his column and opens these two panels. Select again, Dennis.
Okay, let's try number 13, right in the middle.
We have a game table with chairs.
Okay, and then number 17 for the match.
There you go. Another match for you. And there I go saying, there you go again. Starting to sound like former President Reagan. 2 doors opening up for your benefit. Pick again, please.
Okay, let's try number 1 up on the top.
Gas range.
Gas range. And number 11, please.
Green take. Christina?
Okay, Alex, let's see what's behind number 4.
4 is a green take.
Okay, and number 6.
Oh, dear. Mistake on your part. Perhaps you're still nervous. Calm down. It's okay. It's very early. Dennis?
All right, let's try number 11.
There's the green take.
Okay, and number 4, please, for the match.
That's the match. Nothing to grab right now, so we will open these 2 panels for you. Pick again.
Let's try number 3.
Gardening gift certificate.
All right. Number 23, straight down at the bottom.
Camping equipment, no match. Christina.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 16.
Gas range.
And number 1 for the match.
Number 1. See? It works for you. Hang in there long enough. Gas range is a good prize, and it enables you to study the puzzle with these 2 panels open. Pick again. We still haven't run into any wild cards, have we?
Now let's open up the puzzle at number 15.
There's one.
Okay, and number 24.
24 is Bermuda. She remembered that one, of course, in spite of her nerves. The other Bermuda holiday is at number 22. 3 doors are going to open now for Christina. Christina, Dennis still has that green take, and he may want to try to grab that Bermuda Vacation away from you. The red take is still on the board, and you're in control of things because all you have to do to retain control is continue making matches. So go for it.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 10.
Camping equipment, which we have seen.
And 18.
18? No, that's a piano. Good prize, though. Dennis?
Number 23, please, Alex.
That's the camping equipment.
Okay, and then number 10 for the match.
10 is a match.
All right.
I have a feeling you're going to use the green take. Am I correct?
I think so. Yes, Alex. Let's do that Bermuda thing.
Do the Bermuda thing.
Okay.
Let's do that Bermuda thing. What do they call it? The triangle? All right. The Bermuda Triangle goes over to Dennis's side. He's got a lot of good prizes up there now, all of them riding on his solving the puzzle as we open these two doors. Select again.
Okay, let's try number 21.
Gardening gift certificate.
Okay, number 3 for the match.
3 is a match. Another prize, another chance to solve the puzzle. Pick again.
Let's go for number 12, right there on the left side.
Diamond and topaz pendant.
Was that number 20?
Was it? Yes, it was. Good memory work, Dennis. Take a look now. Select.
Man. Number 9, please.
There's the wild card.
And number 19, please.
Marble chess set. The other marble chess set is on the top row at number 2. 3 more doors opening up for Dennis. Dennis, we've still got one wild card up there, so it should be easy for you to make this match. There is also the red take.
Let's hope so. Number 5, please.
Red take.
Okay, number 6 for the match.
Red take. You might as well use it now.
Okay, that's what we did.
Take the gas range. You're going to wind up with all of the prizes in your prize column. So all you have to do is solve the puzzle. We'll open these two doors, and then we'll show you 8, 14, and 18. One of them is wild, and you get the piano as well. Now, when we open these panels, solve this puzzle, Dennis. All right, Christina, can you solve it? Can't do it?
Fraternity?
Fraternity, she says. No, it is not fraternity. All right, hands on your signaling buttons. I am going to help you two. And what I would like you to do is start thinking about famous silent screen stars. First, we have Dennis.
Fatty Arbuckle.
Fatty Arbuckle for a big payoff, and yes, he's right. As soon as we steered him in the right direction. Go to the board, Dennis.
Okay, we've got the F plus the hats and plus the T for Fatty and the R, and this is the confusing part here, the buckle, Fatty Arbuckle.
You were thinking Fatty R-Band.
Fatty R-Band, R-Watch, I don't know.
All right, Christina, 1 strike only against you. You didn't have any prizes up there, so it's not a costly loss. And you'll be back to play in game number 2 in just a little bit. We'll see you for that
Good
one.
luck, Dennis.
Thank you.
Dennis, you're going to go to the winner's circle in a few moments, but right now you're going to stand here and enjoy hearing about all of these
Right.
prizes. Everything. Gene.
A gardening gift certificate, a complete power tool set, a marble chess set, and camping equipment. Academy Broadway products designed for carefree outdoor fun includes dome tent, nylon sleeping bags, double wide air mattress, and travel packs. Furnished by Academy Broadway. And a gas range. This Whirlpool gas range features a self-cleaning oven with convenient waist-high blanket of flame broiler and see-through black glass oven door furnished by Whirlpool. And a piano. The Young Chang Mediterranean-style console piano with its beautiful patented oak finish is handcrafted from fine materials and built to last, furnished by Young Chang. And a diamond topaz pendant. Part of South Dakota Gold Company Gemstar jewelry line, this octagon cut 9-carat blue topaz is accented with 3 diamonds, making a bold fashion statement, furnished by South Dakota Gold Company. And Bermuda.
Yes.
We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Bermuda. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding. And while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend a week at the Elbow Beach Hotel. Enjoy the sparkling aquamarine ocean and endless pink sand beach. Superb dining, dancing, and entertainment furnished by the Elbow Beach Hotel. And, of course, the handsome game table with chairs. And, Dennis, you have won every single prize on this board, and that mounts up to $10,270.
Well, you performed admirably in this game, and you're going to get another chance to win a brand new car when we come back. I was just looking into our audience to see Dennis's friends. It's not hard to pick out the accountants, and that's not a slur or a slight directed at accountants in general. But I can tell the two fellows, and there we have an older couple, and I will assume that's your father. And I can't see the lady. Is that your mom?
Yes, it is.
Yes?
Yes, it is.
All right. You ready to go to work? They want to be running up here to give you a big hug
Get 'em on
as you
TV.
win a brand new car. You want to get them on TV? 15 numbered squares on the clock with 45 seconds, Dennis. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 3,
Nope.
4, 5,
No.
6, 2,
No.
7, 8,
Nope.
3, 9,
No.
2, 11,
No.
1, 11,
Right.
10, 2,
Yes.
12, 8,
No.
15, 3,
Yep.
14, 9,
Yep.
13, 4,
Nope.
5, 13,
Yep.
12, 7.
You went a long time at the beginning without making a match, and that cost you. But that's okay. You've got $14,691. The family goes back up into the audience, into the stands, and we may get to see them later. Game number 2 right after this. Christina has one strike. Dennis has a strike. Important game coming up for these two players. Whoever wins it might take home this as a prize.
Enjoy a front row seat for hundreds of satellite TV channels. See movies, sports, news, and your favorite game shows with this easy-to-use General Instrument satellite system. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. The satellite dish and the system is to be found at number 16. 5 bonus car seconds in this game. The cash pot is up to $700, and we have a Florida golf and tennis resort vacation. And Christina, you get to pick first.
Okay, I need this game.
Yes, you do.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 9.
9 is the cash pot.
Oh, that'd be great. Okay, how about number 17?
5 bonus car seconds. Another good prize. Dennis.
Let's try 13, right smack dab in the middle, see what's going on.
Diamond opal earrings.
I seem to I seem to collect the jewelry. I don't know why, but let's try number 8.
Dessert of the month. Well, I
this
didn't
case.
hear any oohs and ahs out of the audience on that one. Christina, pick again.
I would like the dessert of the month. Let's see what's behind number 1.
Green take.
Take, that would be good security. How about number 20?
Luggage. No match. Dennis.
All right, let's try number 25.
Entertainment center.
Entertainment Center. Maybe number 5 up at the top.
Red take. No match. Christina.
Okay, let's see what's behind 24.
5 bonus car
Okay,
seconds.
and number 17.
17 is right. Yes. A good way to start off this reciting game in the match. Open the panels, please, for Christina. Somebody's really ticked. I can tell. Christina, go again.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 11.
Florida golf and tennis resort vacation.
Be wonderful. How about number 16?
We gonna make a match? No, that's the satellite dish. Dennis.
Okay, let's try something away. Maybe number 14.
Florida golf
right.
and tennis resort.
And number 11, please.
Number 11 is right. That's the match.
All right.
It helps when your opponent has uncovered it in the previous turn.
That does make it nice.
Yes, 2 more panels will swing open for Dennis. Select again.
Okay, number 4.
Wild
right.
card.
Let's go for the satellite dish under number 16.
16 for the satellite dish and the match.
Okay.
The corresponding satellite dish is at 22. 3 panels coming open for Dennis. Pick again.
Number 23 at the bottom.
Wild card
Right.
again.
Okay,
You should.
I'm
Lucky.
trying to remember where the cash pot is. I think it's number 9.
Number 9 was the cash pot.
Yeah.
Yes, that's $700.
Right.
The other cash pot doesn't look as if it's going to be all that helpful in that lower left-hand corner, but we're going to open 3 doors anyway. Pick again.
Okay, number 2.
Entertainment Center.
Entertainment Center. I believe the match for that was behind number 25, Alex.
Right.
All right.
Cruising along beautifully. Perhaps Christina will get another chance in this game, but who knows the way Dennis is going right now. 2 panels open. Pick again.
Number 7, please.
Red take.
Take. Let's see, number 10?
No, washer and dryer. So Christina does get another chance.
Okay, how about number 5?
Red take.
And for the match, number 7.
Red take. Do you want to use it now, Christina? He has the satellite dish, the cash pot, the Florida Golf and Tennis Resort vacation.
I'm going to take Florida. He took
Florida.
my Bermuda.
He took Bermuda away from her. She's going to take Florida away from him. Let's open it up. Pick again.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 3.
Dessert of the month.
How about number 19?
No, washer and dryer. Dennis. Oh, there's the bell. Hands on your signaling buttons. We're going to help you solve this puzzle by revealing it 1 square at a time. Beginning with number 1, number 3, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 15. Christina's in first.
As the Crow Flies?
Is it As the Crow Flies? Yes, it is. And Christina has won a game and the match, too. Come on. Go to the board.
Okay, we have the, can I say this? As the K plus row, crow, as the crow. And we have the flies, as the crow flies.
It's a lot better than donkey the crow flies. As the crow flies. Dennis, 2 strikes against you now, and that means we finally have to say goodbye.
History.
But you're going away with a lot of great prizes,
Yeah.
close to $15,000 worth. So congratulations to you.
Good meeting you.
So
Thank
long,
you very
Dennis.
much.
Good luck to you.
Thanks.
All right, Christina, you have won something beautiful. You're going to enjoy it. Gene?
A Florida Golf and Tennis Resort. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Tampa. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Saddlebrook. Enjoy 2 golf courses, 37 tennis courts, swimming, health spa, fine dining, and luxurious accommodations in a natural setting close to Central Florida attractions. And of course, you will win the 5 bonus car seconds. And this is a prize package worth $3,864.
And it's even more important because Christina may use it as a honeymoon. We'll see if she can win a brand new car also when we come back. Christina's hands are still cold, but it didn't affect her in that last game. So let's see if she can win a car with these 15 numbered squares. 35 seconds is base time, Christina. You picked up 5 bonus seconds, so you're going to be working with a full 40. Good luck. Go to work.
Okay, 1, 2,
No.
3, 4,
Nope.
5, 6,
No.
7, 8,
No.
8, 3,
No.
9, 10,
No.
11, 6,
No.
11, 9,
No.
12, 7,
No.
13, 14,
No.
15, 4,
No.
4, 13,
No.
12, 4,
Right.
1, 9.
Kind of hurts your feelings, doesn't it, when it doesn't work out?
At least I got 1.
At least you got
Better.
one, and you won $3,864 in a beautiful Florida spa vacation. And if you get back to the winner's circle, 45 seconds on the clock. Break time for us. Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Vitamix stainless steel 3-minute bread maker and home yogurt factory that juices without waste, cooks without burning, freezes instant ice cream, and offers 800 other recipes. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
About Christina being nervous, and I wonder now if it's because you're on the show or because you're getting married next week.
Combination, both.
Combination of both?
Definitely, yes.
You're going to come back tomorrow and play again, though.
Definitely.
All right, we'll see her then, and a new player on Concentration. So long.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.